Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can pair Bluetooth speakers to an Amazon Alexa device. Now for the purposes of this example, the Amazon device I'm going to be pairing to is an Echo Dot third generation, and the Bluetooth speaker I'm going to be using is my Vizio soundbar, but generally the same principles are going to apply no matter what Amazon Alexa device you're using or what Bluetooth speakers that you're pairing to. So the first thing you want to do is put your Bluetooth speakers into pairing mode. And a lot of these Bluetooth speakers have the pairing button located right on them. For the soundbar that I'm using, it's located right here in the center. It's the little Bluetooth icon. Just holding that down for about 3 to 5 or so seconds is going to put my device into pairing mode. Now, a lot of these Bluetooth speakers also come with dedicated remotes, and oftentimes they are also going to have a pairing button. You can see it's in the upper right-hand corner, that little Bluetooth icon. Again, holding that down for about 3 to 5 or so seconds is going to put my Bluetooth speakers into pairing mode. So once you have those Bluetooth speakers in pairing mode, the next thing that you want to do is go over to the Amazon Alexa application. I'll take you over there to bring you into the next step in this process. Alright guys, so on your phone you're going to locate the Amazon Alexa app, which should look something like this, and you should have downloaded or have the Amazon Alexa application if you have set up Amazon Alexa devices. So we're going to launch that application, then down in the bottom right hand corner where it says devices, we're going to click on that. And then I'm pairing to my Echo Dot third generation, so that's going to be under the Echo and Alexa tab right there in the upper left hand corner. And there's my Echo Dot third gen, so I'm going to click on that. And then go down and click where it says Bluetooth devices. And once you click on that, it's going to have all of the Bluetooth devices that you've paired to. This is going to be pairing a new device, these new Bluetooth speakers, so I'm going to click Pair a New Device. And then once the list populates with those Bluetooth speakers that you want to hook into, for me it's my Vizio soundbar, go ahead and click on those Bluetooth speakers, and it should pair within maybe about 5 or so seconds.
Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my speaker.
So now we're officially paired, so then I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. And then at this point, you should be all paired, set up, and ready to go as long as your Bluetooth speakers are powered on and they're in Bluetooth mode. Whenever you ask your Amazon Alexa device to play music, for instance, or audiobooks or anything like that, it should play through those Bluetooth speakers. So thanks for stopping by for this video. I hope it was helpful. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you guys back here next time.